How to add Peacock to a Samsung Smart TV. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add Peacock to a Samsung Smart TV. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Ensure your device is supported by Peacock. You can do so by checking if your device is listed in the list or not. Now, from your home screen, select the search bar and type Peacock to search in your installed application. If it does not show up or is not available, select the graphic that says App Store on your home screen. Now, select the search bar at the top of your screen and type Peacock and press Select. Further, select the Peacock app icon and then go ahead and download the icon. After the Peacock app is installed, press the play icon or open button. If you have an existing account, select the sign in button, and if not, select pick a plan. You will then be prompted to sign up for Peacock. So, this is how you can add Peacock to a Samsung Smart TV. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.